Okay, so it's so cold today, I decided to wait for the tram. It beats walking. It's kind of like a gamble. I'm gambling the tram is going to come in less time than it would take me to walk home. Currently, it's not looking too good because I've been standing here for about 4 minutes and I still don't see a tram. Sounds like people peel out, doesn't it? Yeah, but people are just driving regularly. There's my office, well, my cube, right up there. Yeah, still no tram. Not looking good. Here's my predicament. As soon as I cross the street and start to walk home, the tram will appear on top of the hill and it'll pass me as I get halfway home and I'll be like, ah, crap. And I'm not that cold right now with my back to the wind, so I might just chance it. I don't know. I think that's the tram right there. No, not a tram.